Bonafide Hustler here.
Whitney here.
And today we're gonna smash a really quick workout. It's a beautiful day here in Austin, Texas. We're also gonna go thrifting at this awesome thrift store and try to get there by 10. We're really crunched on time, but we're gonna take you with us. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler comes to you live from the inside of my spaceship. We're going through the galaxy at 20 mpHs. We're heading to a gym right now, and we're gonna go to this thrift store that we went to last Wednesday. Didn't you go with me?
Yep.
That's some good stuff, right?
I call it the little old lady thrift store.
The little lady thrift store?
The little old lady thrift store. Because it's a bunch of little old ladies that work there. They're so cute.
That's true. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hit one thrift store, and after that, continue on with one of our projects at home, which is kind of like downsizing. We're not gonna go get a smaller home or anything like that, but we're trying to downsize as much as possible and pay off as much debt as possible, including trying to pay off the house. Starts with certain things that we're doing at the house level. We're gonna have a pretty big garage sale soon in October, and what we're doing is one of the rooms of our house, we are putting boxes, and in those boxes are all the stuff for the garage sale. So we're prepping for this garage sale weeks ahead of time. Are there some boxes in that room yet?
Yep.
Yep, and they're getting tall. And these are really big boxes too. Think about like almost like the biggest Amazon Prime box you've ever seen. Those are the kind of boxes that we're stacking in that room. And we are gonna be putting those out at our garage sale. We're gonna make it multi-family. We're gonna bring all of our friends over. Now, one of the things that I have told my wife is I'm not gonna run the garage sale at all, because I can make more money just going to garage sales. But you know, she's gonna get all our friends together and sell a bunch of our stuff, and whatever doesn't sell, I'm just gonna donate it. Got fun stuff coming around the corner. It's slowly evolving. It's pretty cool, but I'll take you inside the house after the workout, after the thrift store, and I'll kind of show you the process of what we're doing and what we've learned also from other YouTube videos about downsizing and, you know, why it's important. That's the ultimate pre-workout right there, some salt and pepper instead of some pre-workout. All right, let's go. We have 45 minutes to do this workout. It's a super fast workout because we gotta try to beat that line at that thrift store. So I'm gonna take the camera in. I'm gonna leave all my stuffs here. All my stuffs, everything, leave it. All I have is nothing. I have a phone. See you later, truck. Let's go. We're at LA Fitness today, not the other gym.
Oh, my sunglasses.
Go put your sunglasses up, ding dong. Hey, what's up, pal? Hey. We're gonna do 2 back exercises. We're gonna do 2 bicep exercises and 2 hamstring exercises, something like that, all in 45 minutes. Oh, I'm pumped up to be in here, but I usually like my workouts to be a lot longer. Oh well. Lean back, squeeze, return over your head. Trying to go as fast as we can. All right, done with the workout. 45 minutes. Thrift store time. Gonna be on the road here in a second, and the thrift store is about 5 minutes away. We have 9 minutes to get there, so we should be able to get there right when the line is going through. And then we'll be done with the thrift store in like 10 minutes after that, hopefully, and be back home screwing with the downsizing efforts. All right, just listen to some DJ Quick. About to get into this thrift store right here in my secret parking spot. Ooh, there's a pretty good one right there. This is as good as it gets sometimes in this thrift store.
There's a line.
Yeah. There's a line to the thrift store. Whitney's gonna, oh, it's 1 more minute. Let's go. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Make sure you have your money. I'm gonna look at this Bonafide parking job. Ooh, Bonafide parking job, not good. Yeah, Bonafide parking job, not good at all.
Hey, how's it going?
You're on the vlog, dude.
Yeah.
Good morning.
I got my bag, I'm ready. I love this store, so much fun. All right, got some Timbuktus. What's up, Roger, man? Good to see you, dude.
Pictures over here?
No, it's part of my vlog, my little thrift vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, these are cool. Oh, I need to look through here. Are these men's too? Yeah. Oh, Whitney is gonna pop on it. Dooney first, and REI pants right there. Pretty nice, and some tank tops. Some awesome stuff. Did you get a bunch of stuff?
Yeah, a little bit.
Cool. I got awesome drone. Got some bags. Got some camera stuff down in there. It's gonna be awesome. All right, found some really good stuff. I'm glad I went here. A lot of bags, yeah, no shoes, but definitely some bags to bucks. So let's see what I got here in 1 second. $5. This is actually a half off deal here. Dooney and Bork purse.
Half off?
Yeah, it was half off. That's crazy. It was marked at 10, but I got it for $5. This in the booth will sell for around 40, 50, something like that. In the booth, it's in good condition. Also got 2 Timbuk2 packs. I ordinarily do not pick these up, but you know, I'll see. They're so cheap. One was 6, one was 5. I'll see if I can get around 30 to 40 for this one somehow, and then this one right here probably closer to 50. Timbuk2 is definitely a brand you got to watch out for because they make some good stuff, but they have made so much stuff it can be quite confusing, so be careful. So I bought these because this one's like basically mint, and this one's just a really interesting kind of canvas material, but ordinarily if they were too plain I wouldn't pop on them. All right, what do we got in here? We have some cameras, some old cameras in here. I haven't even looked at what this camera is. This is the first time I'm actually looking at what this camera is. It was $5. Yeah, $5 camera, probably an Argus or something like that, nothing crazy. It was just in here. It's a Contaflex, Zeiss Icon Contaflex. Probably not worth too much, but either way, it's just chilling in here. It'll go in my booth for around, you know, 20 to 40 bucks, something like that. People love these things as decorations in their house. I got also 2 lenses that came with it that are in like leather cases, so that's pretty cool. Probably nothing crazy there. I got some film kind of things that you put around your, I don't know, shoulder or belt, but either way, they're like film stuff. So they're vintage film cases. When you're like going around, you put your film in here, other lenses and stuff, you put it in there. This was $3. This will probably sell for around 30 to 50 bucks in my booth. Another camera. This is, I don't even know what kind of camera this is. Let's take a look. Whoa, something just popped off of it. I guess this is the actual lens cover. Anyway, this is a Model CX something. Don't know what kind of camera this is, but like I said, people buy these things for their house. That was $5, 20 to 40 bucks in my booth all day. And the last thing, which is cool because I'll play with it today, is a Hubsan X4 drone that was $10. Chilling in there, got the controller, got the drone, got the batteries, and have the USB charger, so that's real important. Probably gonna fly awesome. Hubsan X4s are really good drones. They don't have very many autopilot features or anything like that for the most part, or on the lower end ones, but they're fun to fly, so that's cool. So anyways, got that. I'll probably play with it and just play with it. So anyways, that was the haul today. Let's go to the house.
Wait a second.
What?
Weren't we downsizing?
We are, but you know, when you downsize.
Don't you have like 5 drones already?
No, I don't have 5 drones. I have.
Okay, you have 4 drones.
3 drones. I have 3.
This makes 4.
But each drone is different.
But
they're different.
oh Lord.
I have to have a drone for every situation. At the Hustler Casa, it's freaking kind of mayhem in here, honestly. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, hey Peter. My office is a wreck right now just because we're doing this kind of decluttering thing. So erected a table here just for a second to take care of more eBay listings, trying to really get to 200 listings. You know, no more than 200 good items on eBay. Some of the things I picked up yesterday that I didn't show you on the vlog. RC boat, 20 bucks out the door. But this motor is super killer right there. So that motor is awesome, drivetrain, everything, or the drive line is all in there. But this motor is probably worth around 80 bucks or more, so that's pretty good. Super sweet boombox to get listed. Here are the bags that I bought today. All this other random stuff, folding dog crate, pretty awesome stuff. There's that Dooney. A white PS3, super hard to find edition, but doesn't play the disc. It's still going on eBay, pretty awesome. Charging up the drones. Here's my drone from Costco. I might return it actually. It's actually very slow. I bought it just to, you know, mess with it with my dogs, but this one sucks. Here's the new one right there. There's the battery that's charging. We'll probably fly that later. And if we go into this room, which is our guest room in our house, we got clothes drying. We have clothes on the bed. This is where we're starting our downsizing kind of thing for the garage sale. All our garage sale items are going to go here. We're buying a bunch of boxes from Lowe's and whatever, and we're going to stack them as high as possible, you know. And yeah, so far we have all this, and we have boxes in all the boxes in the rooms right there. We're putting a shoe box together, a really big one. We're putting a really awesome clothing box together. and we're really trying to, you know, get all this stuff out of here. So maybe you're feeling like your life is cluttered or something like that. There are 3 rules to kind of follow with each and every item, right? One is how much use and what's your favorite kind of item. Like, is this your favorite? You have to always ask yourself when you're trying to declutter and you're trying to throw things into certain bins, like, one is this my favorite item? Do I use this thing? Have I used it within 6 months, for example? Second thing is make a bin for strict donations. And this is a bin that instead of just throwing it away in a dumpster or something like that, you can just donate it. Now the third bin is going to be things that you can resell. And so that's basically what's going on in the office on that table. Some of those things are my personal items as well. And those things are going to be resold and I can make some money on that before it gets to garage sale. And the way that we're going to kind of handle it is that bin that's supposed to be for a thrift store, you know, donation, that's a lot of stuff that's going to go to a garage sale, or things that maybe I don't care about making 5 or 10 bucks on eBay on, you know, or even 20. I'll put that stuff in the garage sale stuff, which is the stuff right here. And then if it doesn't sell at the garage sale, we'll put it back in those boxes, we'll truck it over to Goodwill and do a final donation. Then our house will have, hopefully, 40% less stuff in it, which is the goal. And then we're gonna take that money that we make on the garage sale and we're gonna improve the upstairs loft in my house. It'll become an office to where we can make my office now, perhaps, a nursery? A nursery? A nursery? Come on.
Babe, everybody's gonna think we're pregnant now.
I don't know. Got done eating breakfast and now doing some pictures for eBay and other local listings. Stuff that's gonna be boxed up tomorrow. Always watch a movie while I work. What movie do you think this is? Come on, you gotta see the people in it. What movie is that?
What's the deal?
It's a good movie. It's kind of an improv setup. I have a light right here. We have a light over here, and it's all pointing this direction, and pretty nice white background. So you can get by with a lot of simple stuff if you're trying to get eBay pictures done and you want non-distracting backgrounds, you know. This is next up on the block. It's a SteelSeries, what's it called? A SteelSeries Nimbus, yeah. So it's Apple, basically an Apple controller right there. Pretty awesome. Gonna sell for around 40 bucks. Picked it up yesterday for 8. Now it's time to take everything that's on here, throw it into there. I'm gonna do some pictures for a while, and then after that, I am going to do some bookkeeping for a little bit because that's really important. And yeah, so there's a lot of things to do today, and yeah, now it's time to list stuff. I probably have 20 listings to go. Here we go. I got done with some of that listing. I got some pretty good listings done hour and a half later, and shipping off some shoes right here. We have some Allen Edmonds in here I picked up last week for 10 bucks. They sold for 130 bucks. Shoes to bucks. I don't even have a dance. Gosh, like I was gonna go like this, but my dance sucks. So anyways, you gotta help me with the dance, guys. But yeah, there's, you know, go check out Shoes to Bucks. It's awesome. It's down below. Link down below. It's a guy that I came up with about a month ago. In here we have a $10 Villa wear that someone made me a $38 offer for, or something like that. So that's what's in here going out. No Villa wears to Bucks, but anyways, there's definitely Shoes to Bucks. And yeah, that was awesome. So a nice little hundo from that shoe score right there. Yes, the labels went on. Sweet. There's not Ninja Turtles in this. That's just what the box says. Oh yeah, these are the sunglasses I ordered last week, and I stayed patient. You know, I saw these things in Durango, Colorado. They were like $110 or something like that. And I decided, I was like, I ain't buying anything new like that, but I really wanted them. So, you know, I stayed patient. I sniped an eBay auction for some brand new ones, $43. Boom, got them. That's what I'm talking about. So these are the new Smith glasses. Pretty nice. I like them. They don't make them anymore. They're pretty sweet. I like them. They kind of have that little Tron look to them, kind of. I don't know. Anyways, it's pretty sweet. All right, let's go find a mailman. Then I can edit this vlog and stuff. Oh, I wish I could put some of the cool stuff that we're going to be doing this evening. We're definitely going to go mountain biking. It's been raining so much. It's been raining so much in town, but man, finally today I predicted that mountain biking trails are going to be good. So I can't wait to do that, but I want to get this vlog out to you guys now. So maybe I'll roll that footage into tomorrow's vlog, but honestly, the Colorado vlogs are coming out soon. 8 days ago I was in Colorado, 9 days ago, something like that, and I filmed the whole thing. So those are going to be coming out when you see those things. The first video probably will be around 20, I don't know, 30 minutes. No thrifting in that video, but it's awesome. I think you should check it out. The second video, there's definitely thrifting in there. I picked up some really good stuff. So you'll be seeing that coming down maybe Friday, maybe Saturday, I don't know. But yeah, it was so much fun going to Colorado. I had the best time. And I probably came back with $600 to $700 worth of, you know, potential future profit from what I found down there. So that was great. All right, gotta find a mailman. It's 3 o'clock, so I'm a little bit later. I'm a little bit later on the route, and I don't know where the mailman's gonna be, and now I gotta hunt around. See, this is the thing. If I go between 1 and 2 o'clock in my neighborhood, then I can find them pretty quick. But around 3, it's like, ooh, I gotta like look around. Gotta look around. Gotta look all shady, you know? Gotta be that shady dude in the car looking around. Ooh, it's Mike. I think it's him. It is Mike. It's Mike the mailman. Did you guys check out the video? Did you guys like it? It was on my channel like, I don't know, last week. He saw it. He liked it. Well, I mean, he's Mike, so like he has to like it. But anyways, there he is. Let's give these packages to Mike. I got some Ninja Turtles for you. Ninja Turtles. What's up, man?
Not much.
You want to be on the vlog today? There he is. Too bad you have to be on the vlog today. Hey, did you have fun on that video?
Yeah.
Did you watch it?
I didn't finish it.
Oh, you have to finish. What?
I fell asleep.
This guy. Anyway.
I fell asleep. In the truck. Hey man, take
What?
a quick peek at the truck. It's
Okay.
full.
It is. Let me see.
Actually, it's about half full now.
That's pretty full. Where do you want me to put this stuff? Like right here?
Yeah.
All right, man. 8. I don't know. I might actually be having. Well, never mind. I might have a garage sale on around that time, but we'll see something. Yeah. If you want to do the 8th, then we can do the 8th. I mean, whatever.
Up to you.
Keep reminding me.
Yeah, no big deal.
You'll see me again tomorrow. Anyway. Cool, man. Good to see you.
I'm here all week, man.
Later, dude.
Later.
We're gonna get Mike in the hot seat again. Start training this dude, make some money. He makes good money with this job, obviously, but everyone can use more money. Just put up back of the casa, guys. I'm gonna end this vlog pretty much here. It's like a shorter type vlog, but it's all good. Okay, I thank you guys for being here. I thank you guys for watching my video. I thank you guys for hitting the like button, because I know you will. And I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler, Hotshot kind of thing, whatever. Take it easy, guys. Goodbye.